Hello guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Today I'm going to be doing a short fall video. I've done so many videos. I'm actually running out of ideas, but these were very cute little picture frames here. They were white. They came with the beads on the top, which I just really love. So I got four and decided to change them. And what I'm going to leave the beads, of course, there, and I'm going to paint it, different colors. I got chalk paint. The green, the gray. I'm sorry. Here is the elephant ears gray that I'm going to use, and I'm also going to use a yellow light sunburst, whatever they call it. I should have looked at it. I'm sorry I didn't. And so I'm going to just paint the picture frames, and I will be using scrap paper that I ordered from Amazon. That's called Echoes Park, and it will be in my description box below. And I really love to have nice stickers and beautiful fall scrap papers that I've got. I've used other of their papers before, and I really enjoyed them. I thought it was really nice, but this is the grade that I'm going to use, and I will also add my other little decors to this frame, and it turned out really cute. Four of them, I really like that. And if you wanted one of them I did paint the beads. The other one I left the natural color that it was, because I really thought it was really nice. So I left it the color on a lot of them, all but the one. I think one I ended up painting them, but I really liked the way that it turned out. And so I'm going to dry the heat gun I've had for a while, and of course I'm going to have that in my description box below as well. I got it from Amazon. I ordered it from Amazon, and I just love the fall, and I can't wait to start my Christmas DIY so I can order my Christmas scrap paper from them. I just love them. This really beautiful, and they have it where you can use either side, and that's what I do. Like, it's two-sided. I really love that. So this is my gray here that I used, and then I'm going to, as I say, I will add my my scrap paper and other little decors to this. And this is the paper that I got here from, and this is a beautiful print. You can use either side, and it comes from Echo Parks Company. And like I said, I will put it in the description box below, and you can use either side. It's what I love. Either side you want it to, you can really choose to use. And I've been using my glue sticks, which some of my decors work better for me than the Mod Podge. I still use my Mod Podge, but I like my glue sticks, and on this one it turned out really nice because I don't have to worry about the wrinkles. It just goes on nice and smoothly. And I got the glue sticks from the Dollar Tree as well. And so, sometimes you might have to add a little more, or make sure you're getting enough on there, but I really like the way that it turns out. I really do. And just want to make sure, I didn't add enough on this particular project, but the only thing you have to do is make sure you add enough and you don't have any problems with it wrinkling or anything. I really like it, and I thought that came out so darn cute. So I'll just add a few little thing, and it also came with stickers, which I really like that. So you can use the scrap paper, and then they also have the stickers as well. And I'm doing this one, which is the brown. It's acrylic paint that I got. The acrylic paint from Walmart, and I have my chalk paint from Amazon. So that's what I have here as well. And so I ended up using gray and brown, and then I have like a celery green, which is a chalk paint that I use. And I really like the way the brown came. I loved all the colors. The brown came out really nice. Make it look like a rustic board look. So if you that makes sense to you. So I did add that to it as well, and I used another one of my scrap papers from the Echo. And you would be really surprised how you can you take these little projects and you just turn them into something, turn out so simple and just come out so beautiful. And these are the different colors and shapes, I should say, designs that they had, all kind. And like I said, I loved all the designs on them. They were really nice. And the only thing you have to do is just make sure you put use enough of your glue, and you have no problems with it. And as I say, I just love the prints on them, and they turn out really nice. You add your flower with it, or acorn, or whatever you have that you choose that you want to use. You can do that. And as I said, I just love the way that they turn out. And the prints are so cute. You don't have to do a lot to them. I just really like the way they turned out. And this is the finishing of my signs. I think they kind of turned out so devilish cute. I just really love them. They were so cute. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so every time I do a video, you will be notified by YouTube. Thank you.